Well, we're still waiting for push rods for this Electra glide, but there's still plenty of things to do on it. Let's start with these headlights. I'm going to swap them out for LED ones, because the starter on this thing needs all the help it can get. Well, the headlights seem to go on pretty straightforward. I also got some chrome bezels to install on these. The one for the headlight goes right over the stock one. And as for the passing lights, we have a little work to do. They don't just bolt straight in. We're going to grind some material off so they fit. That'll work. The bezels for these ones replace the stock ones. Now we just have to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, those look great. Let's see if they work. Alright, on to the next thing. Now we can go after these risers. Remember, they were on backwards, and one of them was stuck. We're just gonna have to grind it off. Well, that was easy. We're gonna have to pull the stereo to get to the top half. Alright, now that's how they're supposed to look. Alright, last thing on the short list, we have to wire up some tunes. I'm also adding all the wires and running them to the rear, so I can hook up an amp and speakers if I want to. Alright, it works. Now we just gotta get it out of disco mode. There we go. That's what we want. Red. There is one thing left to do. I have to make the turn signals work. I put LEDs on them so they don't flash, so I'm gonna have to add some load resistors. Well, let's see if it worked. Left side's good. Right side's good. Great, now everything works. All we gotta do is install the push rods. Be sure to join us next week for that on the Maker Hack Shack.